Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Power BI for career dashboards you can share on LinkedIn. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account, select sign up for free to create one. Enter your email address and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once logged in, access the Power BI service by clicking on the Apps section in the navigation pane. In the Apps section, scroll down to find Get Data and click on it. Look for the Power BI Services option and select Get It Now. Choose the appropriate subscription plan that suits your needs. Review the pricing and features, then click on the Buy Now button to proceed. Fill in your payment details and confirm your subscription. After successful payment, return to the Power BI dashboard. Now, create a new report by clicking on Create and then Report. Import the data you want to Once your data is loaded, start building your dashboard by dragging and dropping visuals onto the canvas. Customize your visuals with filters and formatting options for better insights. When you're satisfied with your dashboard, click on File and then Publish to Power BI. Select the appropriate workspace to publish your dashboard. After publishing, go to the Workspaces section to access your published dashboard. To share your dashboard on LinkedIn, click on the dashboard and select File. Choose the Embed Report option for sharing. Copy the generated link for the embedded report. Now, head over to your LinkedIn profile and select Add a Post. Paste the copied link and provide a brief description of your dashboard. Finally, publish your post to share your Power BI dashboard with your LinkedIn network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.